Hi everyone, my name is Philippe Hébert. I'm the product marketing manager at e-Xstream, and today I would like to discuss with you how material digital twins enable optimal plastic component design. So let's start by looking at the drivers that we see in the manufacturing industry today. So among other things, with industrial Internet of Things, lightweighting, digital manufacturing, big data and AI, another one which becomes even more prominent today is sustainability. And by sustainability, we mean obviously from the environmental footprint perspective, but also from the business perspective to be able to sustain in time. And what it means when we look into sustainability from our perspective, it means that we start to look at products along their full life cycle. That means understanding the full chain between the raw materials, the design stage, the manufacturing, the product usage, the end of life, and the possible loops that may occur as we go towards a more circular approach. And once we have this full life cycle view on the product, it means that we can actually master the product total cost along its life cycle. We can also master its environmental footprint, and because we connect everyone along the value chain, we actually connect the supply chain all together. So those are the benefits that we see directly from applying this sustainability approach. So how can we achieve this full product life cycle view? Well, our perspective is that digital twin, they help capture this full life cycle of manufactured goods. Actually, from the very early stage at R&D level to prototyping, we can have a design twin. Once we start going to production and manufacturing, it's going to be the manufactured twin. And once the product is actually being used until its retirement, we then have this notion of lifetime twin. And with these different digital twins, we are able to capture information from the real world to feed the virtual world and improve the predictivity. And what is important for us as people working a lot in the design stage is that most of the environmental footprint, most of the cost is being dictated by what is being decided in the design stage. It's expected that approximately 80% of whether cost or environmental impact